Hey there, amazing educators, and welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators, the channel where we unlock the power of technology to make your teaching life easier and your lessons more engaging. I'm Govindaraja K, and I am so excited about what we're diving into today. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you ever wish you had a magic wand that could instantly turn your lesson notes, your handouts, or even just a simple idea into a stunning, professional-looking video for your students? What if I told you that magic wand exists and it's powered by AI? Today, we are pulling back the curtain on one of my favorite new finds, Renderforest. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can use its incredible AI video generator to create captivating educational content without needing any video editing experience whatsoever. Ready to save a ton of time and seriously wow your students? Let's get started. What is Renderforest? Renderforest is a comprehensive branding platform that empowers educators to craft visually stunning videos, graphic designs, logos, and websites, all within a single user-friendly interface. With Renderforest, educators can engage their audience effectively. Today we can focus on the AI video maker. Why teachers will love Renderforest? Alright, so before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the why. What makes Renderforest so special for us as educators? Saves huge amounts of time, creates professional engaging videos, no technical skills needed, perfect for flipped classrooms, lesson summaries and more. In this video, we're going to cover everything from start to finish. We'll sign up, generate our first AI video, customize it to perfection, and then talk about how to get it into the hands of your students. Step 1. Signing up and dashboard overview. Okay, first things first, head over to renderforest.com. And don't worry, I'll put a link in the description below for you. You can sign up for a free account to get started. You can use your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or just a good old-fashioned email. I'm already signed in, so I'll just jump straight to my dashboard. Welcome to your creative headquarters. It can look like a lot at first, but don't be overwhelmed. It's actually very simple. On the left here, you have your main navigation for logos, videos, websites, etc. We, of course, are going to live in the Create Video section. Welcome to your creative headquarters. It can look like a lot at first, but don't be overwhelmed. It's actually very simple. On the top here, you have your main navigation for logos, videos, websites, etc. We, of course, are going to live in the Create Video section. Now, Renderforest has tons of amazing templates you can browse through, and I encourage you to explore these later. They have whiteboard animations, 3D explainers, all sorts of incredible stuff. But today we're here for the AI magic. So we're going to look for the AI video maker or text-to-video option. Here it is. This is our magic wand. Let's click it and begin our first project. Okay, educators, this is where the fun really begins. You'll see a big box here that says enter your video script. This is where you paste your content. For our example today, let's pretend I'm a 5th grade science teacher and I want to create a quick video explaining the water cycle. I've already got my simple script typed up in a Google Doc. I'm just going to copy my text and paste it right into this box. Now I hit generate video and we let the AI do its thing. It's reading my script, understanding the keywords like sun, ocean, clouds, rain, and it's searching its massive library of millions of video clips and animations to find the perfect match for each sentence. This usually just takes a minute or two. While it's thinking, just imagine all the things you could be doing instead of searching for stock footage yourself. Prepping your next lesson, grading papers, or actually drinking your coffee while it's still hot. And voila, look at this. Renderforest has created a full video project for us. You can see down here on the timeline, it has broken my script into individual scenes. Each scene has text and a suggested video clip. Let's play a quick preview to see what the AI came up with on its first try. How cool is that? It's not perfect yet, but we have a solid foundation to work from in literally 90 seconds. This is what I mean by a game changer. Now let's get in there and make it our own. Step 2. Customizing and perfecting your video. The AI gets you about 80% of the way there. The last 20% is where you add your teacher's touch. This editor is super intuitive, so don't be afraid to click around. Let's go through the main things you'll want to customize. Part A. Editing text and layout. First, let's look at a scene. I'll click on the first one. Over here on the left, you see the text for this scene. You can easily edit it, fix typos, or rephrase it. Below that, you can adjust the text position and size. Maybe I want this title to be a little bigger. Simple. Part B. Changing visuals. Now, what if you don't love the video clip the AI chose? No problem. Let's go to our evaporation scene. The AI chose a nice shot of the ocean, but I want something that shows the sun more prominently. When I click to replace it, this window pops up. Renderforest has a huge built-in stock footage library. I can just search for what I want. I'll type in sun ocean evaporation. Ooh, this one is perfect. It really shows the sun's rays hitting the water. I just click on it, hit replace, and it's instantly updated in my scene. You can also upload your own images or videos. See this uploads tab? If you have a specific diagram, a picture of a class experiment, or even a video of yourself, you can add it right in. This is fantastic for personalizing your lessons. Part C, music and voiceover. Okay, this is a big one. Audio. A video is nothing without good audio. Click on the audio tab. Renderforest has a massive library of royalty-free audio. You can search by mood or genre. Let's find something inspirational or educational. This one sounds great. I'll just click the plus button to add it to my video. You can adjust the volume here, which is important if you're adding a voiceover. Now for the most powerful audio tool, Voiceover. You have two amazing options here. Option 1, text-to-speech. Just like the video generator, an AI can generate a voiceover for you. You can choose from different languages, accents and voices. This is an incredible time saver. Let's test one out. Pretty impressive, right? It's a fantastic option if you're short on time or not comfortable recording your own voice. Option 2, record yourself. This adds a wonderful personal touch. Your students know your voice. You can simply click record and read the script for each scene one at a time. It's so much easier than trying to record one long take. Just like that, you go scene by scene, and before you know it, you've recorded a professional sounding voiceover for your entire video. Step 3. Preview and export your masterpiece. Alright, we've customized our scenes, tweaked our text, picked our music, and added a voiceover. Our video is ready for its big debut. Before we export, we want to do one final full preview to make sure everything looks and sounds exactly how we want it. Up here, you'll see this snapshot icon or a preview button. Click that. Renderforest will now render a low-quality watermark preview for you to watch. This is just to check timing and flow. Don't worry about the watermark or the quality just yet. The video renders for a few moments, then the full preview plays on screen. The water cycle video is shown with all the edits, music and voiceover. Okay, that looks fantastic. The new clips are in there, the transitions are smooth, and the music level is good. I'm happy with it. Now it's time to export. When you click to export, you will see the different quality option. So there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide to creating amazing educational videos with the power of AI using Renderforest. We went from a simple text script to a fully customized, professional-looking video with music and a voiceover. We saw how this tool can save you an incredible amount of time while boosting student engagement and providing powerful new ways to deliver your content. Technology in the classroom should be about making our lives easier and our teaching more impactful. And Renderforest absolutely checks both of those boxes. Now I want to hear from you. What's the first video you are going to create for your classroom? A lesson intro, a study guide, a project for your students? Drop your ideas in the comments below. I love reading them, and you might just inspire another teacher. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more educators just like you. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next tech tool breakdown. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep being the amazing, innovative educators you are, and I'll see you in the next video.